I have ult right now, but I'm gonna save it for a second.
Magic dead, magic dead. Can we engage with it? Can we engage with it? We win this. Perfect.
We'll keep
Turn
one
right,
right.
turn right. There you go. Push up, push up. Breaking turret.
Huge. Good job.
Huge.
Nice.
GG.
GG guys.
Woo! 93 C2. We had 2 cheaters. What the fuck? 2? Hi, Paper. Oh my god. I'd carry on. So I can't go to sleep. I'm getting a Red Bull. No, you can. No, my MVP. No. I did the most heals. Holy shit. Oh. Damn, Katie, you popped up. What? $18. Oh my god. I have 53 assists on that. Holy moly. You're playing well, thank you. Here, I'll move my head so you can see my heals this time. Bro went 6 and 18, talking crazy. Yeah. And he was 2 tanks, DPS, and support. Woman W. Or Adam was locked in. He was, dude. Oh my god. These stats are crazy. Oh my god. 53 assists though? Oh my god. I did the most healing in the match. Oh my god. Time grind's pretty fun when you win, yeah. Yeah, Adam did pop off. He just goated. Nothing new. That's my streamer. I love you, Chadwick. Oh, those were Celestials too. There's a couple Celestials in that game. Why is 3 kind of cooking right now? Do you see what I sent you? The cheater thing? Yeah, I did. That's fucking insane. Pulled magic off the map during your ult. Hey, one more. 21 off Celestial, by the way. Fuck. Wait, why am I here? My brain is foggy right now. I say we go until a loss. How did they get MVP? What the hell? Oh, because I got 9 final hills. Kills. The migraine is gone. Let's fucking go. Oh my god. Trade my go. I swear, so look cute, baby. I swear. What? Do I need to look at your? Let me see. Oh, he is offline. Was that with us? Oh yeah. You didn't queue again? Oh my god, that history. Take it a stretch. Oh my. Check mine. Were you playing actually?
Which hero do you think you want to be today?
Never queuing again. I could join next game probably. Okay. Trade, I'm gonna fucking strangle you. Oh my god. Okay, so Stormman? We're doing one more? Okay. GM2 is a good peak. No! Wait, wait, how did you queue with Plat 3? Zorb is GM, how? You have an alt account? You got this, Peach. Thank you, I'm trying. Oh, shit.
Uh-oh.
Oh, boy. Rocket we go. Cloak ban is crazy. The fuck? The fuck? Gave him an all? Okay.
Yeah, I'm good with it.
Pochevnino.
Ooh.
The fuck?
Okay, they might play. People normally play Ultron or ban Ultron really bad.
Really weird bands, but okay. Trade. Oh my god, hey Taylor! My god, hi! How are you? I miss you too! How are you, Mr. Big Shot famous guy? Oh my god, I gotta log in! I gotta be a charity GM or something? Shut the fuck up, bro. Why are you a stranger? Bro, I work every day! I've been off the map. All I do is stream now. I don't text anybody. I'm so behind on messages. I have like 20 messages that I need to respond to, and I haven't responded to for like 2 weeks. It's not thing personal. Wait, let me see if I can put this up. Isn't there a spot I can put my beacon?